Hey, this is Daryl coming at you live with another Honeydew Handyman educational moment. What we have here is some plumbing leaks. Directly above these lines, these water lines here, you got hot and cold water lines going in, is the kitchen sink and the washing machine. So we went up there and checked things out, but we did not find any evidence of anything being wet or leaking. The shutoff valves, everything seemed to be fine, nothing was wet. So come back down here, do a little further digging. And what we found here is that these buckets, first of all, were full of water from the homeowner. And we went up here, and if you look really, really carefully, there's a very fine mist coming off from that pinhole right there. So sometimes things just get old. So one of the telltale signs, you can see the water there on the plywood. So we had water on the plywood, but no hole in the plywood, no marks of any kind of evidence of this being an ongoing problem. So it's a new problem. So something that could have been really, really expensive is actually going to be pretty cheap to fix. We're just going to cut that pipe out and fix and replace it with new. So sometimes it's not a plumber necessarily you need or a general contractor you need. It's just a honeydew you need. Take care.